In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix the issue where your Google account is set to be deleted in 29 days. This step-by-step guide is designed to make it easy for you to prevent your account from being deleted. Let's get started right away. First, you'll want to begin by opening your browser and heading to your Gmail account. Once you're there, go ahead and search for account recovery in the search bar. This will lead you to a series of helpful resources provided by Google to assist in account recovery. Typically, the search result you're looking for is titled How to Recover Your Google Account or Gmail. Click on it to get started. After you've clicked that link, you should see a section that offers an option to recover your account. This section contains a wealth of detailed guidance prepared by Google to help in instances where your account might be at risk of deletion. It's important to pay close attention here as each piece of advice is tailored to specific recovery scenarios. As you continue, you'll notice a link that says Tips to Complete Account Recovery Steps. Clicking on this will take you to another resource designed to provide you with best practices for ensuring a smooth account recovery process. These tips could include suggestions such as checking your backup email addresses or ensuring that your phone number on record is up to date, all crucial in maintaining control over your account. Next, you'll want to look for the link that directs you to the account recovery page. Click on this link to proceed with the recovery process. Here, you will be prompted to log in with your email address. It's crucial during this step to use the correct credentials associated with the account in question to prevent any unnecessary delays. Now, if the warning you're seeing about your account being deleted is due to inactivity, the solution might be simpler than you think. Simply logging into your account within those 29 days can address the inactivity issue and safely halt the deletion process. Make sure you actively use your account during this period to prevent this situation from recurring. However, if prompted, you might need to update your birth date. This could be due to discrepancies in the information they have on file. Following the prompts, you can either update this information directly, or in some cases you may need to verify your identity. Verification could include uploading a government-issued ID or using a credit card for confirmation. And there you have it, your quick guide to preventing your Google account from being deleted unexpectedly. By staying vigilant and following these steps, you can ensure that your account remains active and secure. Remember to keep your recovery information up to date and regularly log into your account to avoid similar issues in the future. Thank you for watching, and I hope this video has been helpful for you.